Here's why Peterborough shocked me. We have now arrived to Peterborough, a cathedral city in Cambridgeshire, east of England.
We are filming now from their train station.
Now we are heading to the Cathedral Square, more exactly to the St. John's Church, which is here. All we are planning to see in this vlog is in the city centre. On our way to the city centre, we are seeing these interesting graffitis.
After walking under this passage, we are welcomed by another graffiti. Here, I would say that this is more like a painting, a really well-made one. I believe here's the artist's name. Now we've just got in the city center. We are here, and in front we have St. John's Church. This is quite a good example of English Gothic architecture.
By having a closer look, we can see the beauty of these windows and the architectural complexity of these arcades. Another interesting thing we have seen here is this sandstone and how they built the wall with it.
And this is the view straight to the main entrance. Each window has a different style.
Now let's see how's inside. Right next to the church we have filmed, we've got a kind of a public forum, which is called the Guildhall. This building was erected in 1671 to celebrate the restoration of the monarchy in 1660. I believe nowadays this place is a common meeting spot for this city.
Pretty nice place they have here. Here you can also find vegan dog treats, if you believe it. Here's some prices. They have indeed an interesting city center. We are now filming on Long Causeway Alley or street. Looks nice. And I believe now it's time for a beer. We are here, and this Wetherspoons, it's gonna be on this street called Broadway. Right guys, so far the visit to this city was okay. Now we are going straight to the cathedral. Who we have here?
Doctor Who.
Again! So how's the weather so far?
It's hard to tell. It may be cold or it may be warm.
We are now at the gates of Peterborough Cathedral.
We are welcomed with a message that says no smoking is allowed here.
This cathedral is officially known as the Cathedral Church of St. Peter, St. Paul and St. Andrew. But most people just call it Peterborough Cathedral. It's over 900 years old and, trust me, it has stories to tell. Construction began in 1118 during the Norman period and was mostly completed by around 1238. Size-wise, it is the 10th largest cathedral in the UK. The most iconic feature of the facade is its three massive Gothic arches, each towering and deeply recessed. These arches are not structurally necessary. They were added for visual impact around 1238 in the early English Gothic style.
So far I haven't seen such thin columns.
The towers that rise behind the arches are Norman, but the verticality of the facade is pure Gothic inspiration.
This is a door with 5 arcades. It's the first time I'm seeing this.
This is the view from the north side of this cathedral and looks like it's called the Lady Chapel. This peaceful area has been a sacred burial ground for centuries. Specifically, the section we are in dates all the way back to the 12th century, when it was used as a graveyard for the abbey's monastic community.
Simple structures and even more examples here.
Along the cathedral wall, you'll see a fascinating collection of medieval stone coffins. These were uncovered during Victorian restoration works.
Just forgot to mention that the maximum height of this cathedral is 44 meters.
Did you know one of England's most iconic queens lies buried in a place few expect?
Katherine of Aragon
was the first wife of King Henry VIII and daughter of Spain's powerful monarchs. After years of marriage and only one surviving child, Mary, Henry sought a divorce to marry Anne Boleyn. Katherine refused, leading to England's break from the Catholic Church. She died in Kimbolton Castle in 1536 and was buried at Peterborough Cathedral, about 25 miles away. She's remembered for her unwavering faith and dignity. So if you plan to visit this place, you cannot miss this cathedral. By randomly walking on the city streets, we found this sad watermelon and right next to it another map.
We are here and we are now trying to find a place that has something to eat.
We have decided eating here and most probably we will have a kebab. We paid £12 per one and this is how it's looking like. On the same bridge street, you can also find their town hall. This building has a neo-Georgian architecture and, as can be seen, has an imposing entrance supported by 4 Corinthian columns.
A lot of people told me not to visit Peterborough. I'm glad I didn't listen. I wonder why they told me this. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe.